Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Zephyr from Kotori Audio. Kotori Audio is an IEM and cable manufacturer from Singapore. Let's open it up. We have the specs on the back. The Zephyr has one titanium coated dynamic driver and a nose balanced armature tweeter. And here are the specs. The packaging is actually really nice. On the right, we have a warranty card and a user guide. The aluminum case is actually really nice. It has a rubber gasket here and it's airtight inside. And here we have Kotori Audio's carbon-free cable. The cable is on the thicker side and it has a very large splitter and clinch. And there's a right angle 3.5mm jack. The cable has anodized aluminum 2-pin connectors. And here we have the IEMs. As you can see, it has a semi-custom shape and the wing here is actually pretty big. It also has quite a long nozzle. As you see on the Zephyr, there are no vents on the shell. That's because Kotori has designed an acoustic chamber that not only tunes the dynamic driver inside, but also balances out the pressure and eliminates driver flex. So there's no need for vents on the IEM itself. Due to the long nozzle and the lack of vents, I think this will probably have very good noise isolation. On the left side it says Zephyr, and on the right side it says Kotori. And we also have left and right indicator on the IEMs. Let's connect the cable. And here we have 6 pairs of tips in a really nice case. The black ones are shaped differently from the clear ones, and it's also a bit softer. These are both the smallest size tips for each of the colors. Now I'll try out the Zephyr on the iBasso DX180. First of all, the Zephyr is quite easy to drive despite having a relatively low sensitivity. The timbre of the Zephyr sounds neutral, with some added warmth in the mids. The first thing that stood out to me was the mids. It's smooth sounding and has a slight forwardness to it. If you like listening to vocals, I think this would be a very satisfying set for you. The soundstage presentation is pretty wide and it feels very round, if that makes sense. I've read online that the Zephyr can take up to 100 hours to settle in. So I'll run them in for a bit and write my full review. But at the meantime, I really like the sound of the Zephyr and I think it's a set I will enjoy. Please like this video and subscribe to not miss the full review. The links to Kotori Audio's website is in the description box below.